Maths assignments. MathsAssignmentSolver.com. For any help regarding calculus homework help, visit https://www.mathhomeworksolver.com. Email support@mathhomeworksolver.com. Call us at +1 678 648 4277. Problem: Single variable calculus fall. Problem 1. The derivative of f(x) equals 1/x is fj x equals -1/x2 for x non-zero. A. Show that for the tangent line to the graph of f(x) at x0, y0, the z-intercept of the line is 2x0 and the intercept of the line is 2y0. B. Part A implies the following. For every pair of real numbers, x1, y1, there is a tangent line to the graph of f(x) with z-intercept x1 and y-intercept y1 if and only if x1, y1 equals 4. You may use this fact freely. Let a, b be a point such that a b is non-zero and less than 1, possibly negative. Show that a line L with z-intercept x1 and y-intercept y1 is a tangent line to the graph of f(x) containing a, b if and only if x1 satisfies. Hint: using equations 1 to 5 on pages 11 to 12 of the textbook, deduce that L contains a, b if and only if bx1 plus I1 equals x1, y1. Then use the fact above to eliminate one of x1 or y1 from this equation, and simplify. C. Using the quadratic formula in part B, which you may now use freely, write down the equations of the two tangent lines to the graph of f(x) containing the point a, b equals 5, minus 3. Problem 2. For a mass moving vertically under constant acceleration minus g, the displacement function is xt equals minus gt2/2 plus v0t plus x0, where x0 is the displacement and v0 is the instantaneous velocity at time t equals 0. A scientist uses a magnetic field to conduct an experiment simulating zero gravity. At time t equals 0, the scientist drops a mass from a height of 10 m with instantaneous velocity v0 equals 0 under constant. MathsAssignmentSolver.com. Acceleration minus 10 meters per square second. When the mass drops below height 5 m, the field is switched on and the particle continues to move with new acceleration 0 meters per square second. Assuming the displacement and velocity are continuous, determine the height and instantaneous velocity of the mass at time t equals 1.2 s. Show your work. Problem 3. For a differentiable function f(x) and a real number a, using the difference quotient definition of the derivative, show that the function g x equals f(x) has derivative gj x equals afj x. MathsAssignmentSolver.com. Solution. Solution A. By equation 4 on p. 54, the slope of the tangent line to the parabola at x0, y0 is 2x0. Thus the equation of the tangent line is 2, 0, c. If x0 is 0, the tangent line has equation y equals 0, i.e., the tangent line is the z-axis. Thus the tangent line does not have a well-defined z-intercept. Therefore assume that x0 is non-zero. The z-intercept of the tangent line is the value x1 such that y is 0. Plugging in, this gives the equation. Simplifying, this is 2x0 x1 equals x2. Since x0 is non-zero by hypothesis, also 2x0 is non-zero. Dividing 0 both side by 2x0 gives the equation x1 equals x0/2. Thus the z-intercept x1 equals 2 if and only if x0 equals 2 times 1 is equal to 2 times 2 is equal to 4. As computed in B, the equation of the tangent line is MathsAssignmentSolver.com. Y equals 8x minus 16. Solution B. Since f(x) equals x2 plus bx plus c, substituting x plus delta x for x, f, x plus delta x, equals a, x plus delta x, 2 plus b, x plus delta x, plus c. Expanding the square, this is a, x2 plus 2x delta x plus delta x 2 plus b, x plus delta x, plus c. Therefore f, x plus delta x, minus f, x, equals a, x2 plus 2x delta x plus delta x 2 plus b, x plus delta x, plus c, minus x2 plus bx plus c. Canceling like terms, namely x2, bx and c, this simplifies to 2x plus a, delta x, 2 plus b delta x. Separating the common factor delta x from these terms, this simplifies to f, x plus delta x, minus f, x, equals 2x plus a delta x plus b, delta x. This completes step 1. Because of the common factor delta x, the difference quotient is f, x plus delta x, minus f, x, equals 2x plus a delta x plus b, delta x for delta x non-zero. This completes step 2. Holding a, b and x constant and allowing delta x to vary, the expression 2x plus b is a linear function in delta x. Perhaps this is easier to see if it is written x plus 2x plus b. A linear function is continuous. Thus, to compute the limit as delta x approaches 0, it suffices to substitute in delta x equals fj x equals 2x plus b. MathsAssignmentSolver.com. Solution C. The function is defined when 3x plus 2 is non-zero, i.e., when x is not minus 2/3. The function is undefined with x equals minus 2/3. Therefore, assume that x is not minus 2/3. 0. Therefore, fj x equals lim a delta x plus 2x plus b equals a 0 plus 2x plus b delta x 0, which simplifies to 2x plus b. Therefore, the derivative of x2 plus bx plus c is substituting x plus delta x for x gives. To compute the difference, we express both fractions with the common denominator, 3x plus delta x, plus 2, 3x plus 2. We express both fractions with the common denominator, 3x plus delta x, plus 2, 3x plus 2. MathsAssignmentSolver.com. Canceling the like terms 3x and 2, this simplifies to. This completes step 1. Because of the factor delta x in the numerator of f, x plus delta x, minus f, x, the difference quotient is for delta x non-zero. This completes step 2. Considered as a function of delta x is the expression minus 3 3x plus 2 plus 3 delta x, 3x plus 2, defined in continuous at delta x equals 0. The only values of delta x where the expression is undefined or discontinuous are the values where the denominator equals 0. By hypothesis, x is not minus 2/3, and thus 3x plus 2 is not 0. Therefore, the denominator is 0 if and only if 3x plus 2 plus 3 delta x is 0. Thus the function, minus 3x plus 2 plus 3 delta x, 3x plus 2, has a single infinite discontinuity when delta x equals minus x minus 2/3. Again, using the hypothesis that x is not minus 2/3, minus x minus 2/3 does not equal 0. In other words, there is a single point where the function is undefined and discontinuous, but this point is different from delta x equals 0. Therefore, minus 3x plus 2 plus 3 delta x, 3x plus 2, is defined and continuous at delta x equals 0. So the limit can be computed by substituting in 0 for delta x. Therefore, the derivative of f, x, equals 1/3x plus 2 is. MathsAssignmentSolver.com. Solution D. The function is defined when x is non-negative and undefined when x is negative. Therefore, assume that x is non